Welcome back to Engineer Amal YouTube channel. Today I will show you a small project called ESP32 Plants Climate Detector. This small device can check the current temperature and humidity and tell us which climate type is best for plants growth in real time. For this project we are using 5 main parts for building project: ESP32, OLED display, DHT11 digital sensor module, jumper wire, breadboard. This is the circuit diagram. Please check the connection and give it correctly. The detector works in a simple way. The DHT11 sensor gives us live values of temperature and humidity. The ESP32 then compresses those values with the standard range of 8 climate types: tropical, subtropical, temperate, polar, like both all. Is calculate the percentage choices for plants growth in each climate. On the OLED display screen, such slide shows the climate types, current, temperature, humidity, and the chances percentage. After checking all climate, it shows the best match climate. For example, if the current conditions are hot and humidity will be selected tropical. This way we can know which plants can grow better in today's weather. So friends, this was the ESP32 Plants Climate Detector project. I hope you like this simple and smart idea. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Engineer Amal for more amazing projects. Thank you for watching.